Welcome to this video, where we'll be taking a close look at Acer's new Predator Triton 17X gaming laptop. If it looks familiar, that's because it has taken a lot of design cues from the Razer Blade and could be one of the most appealing gaming laptops in recent years. The laptop looks great on the outside, with an all-metal, all-black shell that reminds me of Razer's Blade laptops, save for some extra cutouts for cooling vents. It remains fairly thin, at a claimed 0.86 inches, and weighs 6.61 pounds while still providing support to RTX 4090 and the Core i9-13900HX. The laptop hinge opens a full 180 degrees, allowing easy sharing of the screen. For those who like some color, the keyboard is backlit with RGB lighting, as well as a small Predator head logo located in the lower right corner. The narrow RGB lit button above the keyboard shifts between power profiles, which may come in handy if you want to switch to eco mode to browse the web or watch a movie without lots of fan noise. And then there's the mini LED display, an impressive feature first seen on several high-end laptops this generation. The Triton 17X's mini LED display promises a 100% of the DCI-P3 color space and 1000 nits of brightness, making it look very good to my eyes with ultra-deep blacks and vivid colors. It tops out at 2560 by 1600 resolution and 250 Hz, but there's also the option for a 400 nit 240 Hz IPS display. Connectivity is also ample, with a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet jack, Wi-Fi 6E and 4 USB-A, 3.2 Gen 2, Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, and a headset audio jack on the left edge. The right edge features a full-size HDMI 2.1 port, an SD card slot and another set of USB-A and Thunderbolt Type-C ports. The large power brick is located on the left of the laptop and provides the necessary juice to power up the laptop GPUs. The speakers on the Triton 17X, while impressively loud, did lack bass and also had a tendency to sound a bit harsh. We'll have to wait for a final review unit to pass judgment on this. The 1080p webcam, however, is bright, crisp, and color accurate, with the image tending to wash out and soften when turned to face a bright light source. The Triton 17X starts at $3,799 in the US, and €4,499 in Europe. We won't know for sure how it stacks up in performance until we get our hands on a final review unit, but it does certainly looks promising in features. Stay tuned for our review when it arrives.